everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I am doing this sexy vampire look. And if you're interested in seeing what I used and how I used them, then just keep on watching. And I also have a giveaway going on in this video, and it is 2 of the Wet n Wild Megalast lipsticks in the color In the Flesh and Mochalicious. This is In the Flesh and this is Mochalicious. Yeah, just keep on watching.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I am you. I'm coming closer. I will catch you. The time it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I am you. Afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I am you. I'm coming closer. I will catch you. The time it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Are you afraid of the dark?
Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, watching me create this sexy vampire look. And yeah, the giveaway is going on right now for these two Megalast lipsticks in the color Mochalicious and in the Flesh. So all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and select all so you can get all the notifications for upcoming videos. And for bonus entries, I have hidden messages in this video, in past videos, in future videos. So if you want bonus entries, just watch past videos or future videos and watch for the secret messages. That's how you can get bonus entries. This will be going on for a week, maybe more, maybe less. I don't really know, but when I do pick a winner, I will put it in the under their comment. I will tell them that they won, and also I will put it in my description box so everyone can see easily when I pick a winner and who it is. But yeah, it's a simple giveaway. This one will be only US since it is such a small giveaway, but I do plan on doing a huge giveaway when I hit 2K, so just stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this look and how I created it, and I hope you had fun while you was here on my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you baddies next time. Bye! Hey everyone! I can't talk in these things. I'm getting lipstick all in my teeth. Hey everyone! I can't talk. Ah shit, this is going hard.
I will get you.